Before anything else, can you give us a brief introduction of yourself? And prior to becoming an ASVA VA, ano yung ginagawa mo before?
So, prior ASVA, two jobs pa rin naman ako. Online naman na siya.
Okay.
Like remote. So, yung isa is a real estate VA. And then, sinasabay ko siya sa live chat.
Oh, okay.
So, dalawang...
Real estate din yung industry?
Hindi. Software yung yung sa live chat. And then they just hire people to answer chats in behalf of websites.
Nice. Okay. And if I may ask, gaano katagal ka na freelancing before ka mag-start ng ASVA?
I started 2017 freelance. And then sabi ko noon wala pa akong pera pang ASVA kasi parang syempre iba yung na-offer ng Amazon. Like before I don't have the flexibility to take a rest. So parang BPO setting yung iba na may schedule ka na susundin and then may breaks and lunches. So sabi ko I have a growing little girl. So that time nasa 4 months lang siya. Nung nag-start ako mag-freelance and then nung 1-year-old na siya, napapansin ko mas kailangan na niya ng attention. So, sabi ko, I cannot stay na parang sobrang tutok ako sa computer. I need something na pwede akong mag-step away. And then, alam mo yun, I can manage both being a mom, having to help financially with the family.
Nice. And sabi mo, 2017 ka, nag-venture into freelancing. Prior to that, were you working in a corporate setup?
Yes. Pero BPO, yes.
BPO.
8 years sa BPO.
8 years, wow. But how were you able to make the transition? Kasi di ba, kapag nasanay ka na sa corporate, parang merong, siyempre, stability, may benefits,
yes.
HMO, di ba, mga ganon-ganon. I mean, how were you able to make the transition from a corporate setup to freelancing? Inagad mo ba? Binigla mo?
Actually, parang 2016 pa lang, nung nabuntis pa lang ako, nagtitingin na ako, nag-ESL job, ESL online teaching. Tapos, pero sabi ko, I cannot bear na laging naka-video, tapos may kausap. Kasi, dati, iisa lang yung kwarto namin, so, hindi ako pwedeng mag-move to another room. Lalo na pag umiyak na yung baby. So, sabi ko, na-stress ako, sabi ko, this is not for me. I need to find something else. So, online jobs. Pero habang ginagawa ko yun, pumapasok pa rin ako sa corporate BPO. Call center agent. And then, ayun na, time comes na, as in, na-frustrate ako noon, umiiyak ako sa asawa ko. Sabi ko, bakit sa BPO, ang dali-daling maghanap ng ng trabaho? Parang isang interviewan lang, kaya mo na, pasok ka na. Tapos dito, parang, nakakailan na ako, as in, literal nagpapalipad ako ng application. Then, ayun, sabi ko, wala, hindi yata ako para dito. And then, eventually, online jobs, may, live chat ang ina-eye ko nun. So, may nag-post, sabi niya, open for growth and whatnot. Second best siya na live chat app, most used sa buong mundo. So, okay, sige, tignan natin what it offers. And then yun. Up until now, I'm still connected with that company.
Nice.
So, we're just
flexible
growing.
Yung time mo. You can...
Eventually, parang naging flexible na rin siya kasi, taking, we're leading agents din.
Okay. So, paano ka naman na-introduce sa ASVA course ni Coach? Saan mo naman siya nakuha? I mean, nakita pala.
Online Filipino freelancers.
Sa off. Okay. Part ka din doon.
Tapos sabi ko, nagtitingin ako, sabi ko, parang okay. Tapos, si Ina, elementary best friend ko siya. So, sabi ko, if she's doing well sa Amazon, I think maybe it's doable for me.
Nice. So, may kakilala ka ng ginagawa na yon prior to seeing ASVA. Kaya mas na-strengthen yung belief mo na it's something you can do. as well.
Yeah.
So, nung nasa program ka na, how would you describe yung pacing ng program saka yung setup niya, yung structure niya sa loob?
Actually, hindi ako sumubay nun sa the rest. So, pag may webinar, hindi ako hindi ako nakakasama. Kasi sakto na gabi, tas sakto start ng shift ko sa isa. So, sabi ko, okay, sorry. Pero pinapanood ko yung mga replays once it's posted sa Thinkific that time. And then, basically, kinuha ko lang talaga yung pinaka-foundation. So, it's through my own pace. The reason na kaya ko rin siya na on my own without so much guidance that time kasi nasanay na ako sa distance learning from my college days. So, talagang at your own pace and then you can just set may due date lang as to when you can submit the task and then, ayan. So, hindi na bago sa akin na parang, okay, pag webinar na ganito, na siya, kaya ko na to.
Nice. So, apart from the videos, kasi di ba pre-recorded yung video, so basically, kung kailan ka free, doon mo siya pwedeng makonsume. So, aside from that fact, ano pa sa tingin mo yung advantage or nagustuhan mo sa ASVA class as compared to other learning programs na you've probably taken before?
It's more on, it can be applied already. So, makaland ka lang ng and then it starts from basic. So, from updating your resume, ganyan. Tapos, ano yung mga pwede mong sabihin, ilagay sa cover letter mo. So, it helps. Kasi, nga naman, it helps you to be prepared. Kumbaga, sinasabi ko sa mga coaching students natin, parang ready ka for war. So, hindi naman pwedeng wala kang baril. So, your resume is definitely one of the things that you can use when you go to war.
Saka, if I'm not mistaken, yung sa batch nyo, yung nag-start ng may mga assignment, tas parang may OJT, internship, yung on-the-job training na magpa-product research talaga kayo, isa-submit nyo, tas create kayo ng product listing, tapos i-check ng mga coaches, di ba?
Oo. Hindi ako nakapag-submit.
So, asa talaga kayo doon?
So, talagang huling-huli ako kasi pinurchase ko lang siya just to make sure to make my self at ease. Na ito na, nandito lang siya. At anytime that I have time na mag-juggle between all the hats that I'm wearing that point in time. So, ayun.
Yun. So, after ng ASVA course, how soon before ka nakakuha ng Amazon seller client?
So, kung sabi mong November siya, siguro nagsusubok na ako maghanap ng March.
March, okay.
March 2019. Pero sabi ko, yung mga nakuha ko by that time, may free training naman siya. Pero sabi ko, nang parang after ng training, so go na. Tapos ang bayad is parang per product na makikita mo, which is for retail arbitrage. Sabi ko, parang hindi ako na-fulfill sa ganito. So, sabi ko, maybe I can try something different. So, parang nahook ako sa PPC. Tapos, I can see yung mga rates sa job posting ng PPC is very competitive. So, sabi ko, ano ba tong PPC na to? Ayun. So, ang mga hinanap ko sa online jobs was for more like PPC. And then, but most of them are looking for someone experienced. Sabi ko, Lord, ano ba to? And then there was this one posting na parang accepting newbies or manager, mga ganyan. So sabi ko, I'm gonna take this. Sabi ko, I'm gonna send an application. Nag-reply siya, nag-reply siya.
Ginamit mo yung resume, tas yung cover letter tactics na natutuwa mo. Okay.
And then, move forward sa process. Ang ginawa ko, nileverage ko, na sabi ko, wala akong masyadong alam sa Amazon. I've been with retail arbitrage, but that's basically just a month. But, sabi ko, ginamit ko si Amazon Masterclass na ano siya, may basic foundation naman ako, and then we have a community that can help in case na I get struggles or I get challenges on the way.
Nice. Anong na-reply niya doon nung sinabi mo yun?
Skype call yun eh.
Skype call.
So, Skype call siya. And then, ayun na, pagka nagustuhan ka naman ng client, pati yung mga sagot mo, tsaka nasa pagdadala mo yan sa interview eh. So, tinanong ko siya kung magkano yung rate, ganyan, paano yung training, the same call. Ayun, and then I got it. And up until now, I'm still staying with him. Although mababa, but it's great to start and you have a lot of learning.
Totoo. Saka, hindi na siya masama kasi from someone na sabi mo nga, inexperience, and iba pa yung naging previous experience mo, at I mean, as a retail arbitrage, diba, trinain ka niya, mas ni-strengthen niya yung foundation mo. So actually, nasa sayo na rin yon kung gusto mo rin naman lumipat eventually at mag-charge ng mas mataas na fees, right?
Yes, that's
true. So, if I may ask, ilan ngayon yung clients mo na Amazon sellers?
Amazon, dalawa.
Tapos, meron ka pa nung live chat support na client?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. How do you do that? I mean, tatlong clients, then you have a daughter, and you still have to, take care of your family, run errands. So,
I honestly don't know how I did it, pero I guess it's more on time management. Pero tapos, knowing your priorities. So, kaya nga, kaya nag-Amazon din ako kasi even if naka-login ako or may time tracker kami, when I need to step and just attend to my daughter, ganyan, tignan mo, inaabutan niya ako ng kung ano-ano. Drink it. So, habang nagta-type ka, pwede, okay, sige, drink it. Yes. And then, I guess sa house chores, naiiwan talaga yung house chores. So, ang ending, grab kami lagi.
Okay.
But lately, for the first time in my life, nakapag-hire kami ng someone to help us. So I call her our angel.
Nice. So at least may magta-take care na ng ibang household chores while you're busy, hustling.
Yes.
Oo, nice. So, di ba 8 weeks yung course. Kung susumahin mo siya sa isang biggest takeaway, what would be the major learning experience na nakuha mo sa ASVA course?
Sa ASVA course, it's really giving you what you need to start off. Like, talagang yung foundation na kailangan mo malaman. And then eventually, you will learn all the things. Sabi nga nila, training is just 30% of what, and then the rest is good. The 70% will be application process na siya. But it's good kasi if the clients know that you attended a masterclass, an Amazon Seller VA masterclass, they can think na you are investing in yourself.
Totoo. Saka seryoso ka talaga. Seryoso ka sa tinahak mong career. Kasi you invested money and time to to harness your skill Kahit ba baguhan ka, it's just a matter of time for you to get used to the system and learn the ropes. Kasi alam mo naman na yung principles and yun nga, yung basic training behind it. May foundation ka na. So, ang kailangan mo na lang is the opportunity to prove yourself na kaya mo siyang gawin. Diba?
Yep.
So, ano naman yung message mo para sa mga, kasi yung iba, ngayon, di ba, ngayon sa pandemic, nawala ng trabaho yung iba and they're actually lost, confused, and scared at the same time because, of course, sa freelancing, may stigma na, hindi yan stable, may feast and famine cycle, and hindi naman agad-agad makakuha ng clients. But what would be your message to those people na, yun nga, aspiring to become a freelancer?
For those aspiring to be a freelancer, trust in your skills. And then be confident with what you have. So, and leverage what you already know. And then make a decision. Kasi if you're not going to make a decision, well, maybe study first kung ano yung papasukin mo, so you know what to expect.
Mm-mm.
And then when you pag nandun ka na, then you definitely learn more. And I guess from there, flourish from there. Kasi it's about being anong tawag doon? Anong term na yun? Nasa dulo siya ng dila. Pero more on being very perseverant ka.
You have to be resilient. I mean, determined.
And then be present. So be present.
Saka gusto ko rin yung naging journey mo, Dean. Kasi sabi mo noon, I mean, hindi ka nakakatawag dito. I mean, ang hirap. Parang nagpapalipad ka ng application but no one was getting you. I think for many people, most would have given up. But, here you are, pushing forward. And hindi ka naman na bigo. I mean, eventually, the right client, I mean, the right opportunity came by. And dahil nga nagpapasa ka, nakita mo yun. And you got that. And until now, you're still connected with that client. So, and yun nga, ang maganda rin sa'yo is nag-upskill. Nag-upskill ka. I mean,
keep opening windows, doors.
Doors?
Doors. Keep opening those doors. And then, see. Pwede mo namang silipin pag binuksan mo kung ano yung nandun para sa'yo And then when you like what you see, and maybe nakita mo yung gusto mo ina-expect mo, then pasok, diba? But if another door closes, there will be another one that will open. So keep opening opportunities.
Totoo. Maybe some people kasi are stuck with, sure na ba ako yan yung gusto ko? I mean, hindi naman tayo magiging certain sa isang bagay We just need clarity. Na ito yung goal natin. And we just need to find the right vehicle, that will take us to that goal. And yun nga, ang vehicle naman, pwede mo namang babaan Kung hindi yung pala yung vehicle na magdadala sa'yo, lipat ka. Hindi mo naman aasawahin yung skill mo, di ba? I mean, pwede ka naman magpalit or matuto ng bago. Yun nga, yung ginawa mo, nag-upskill ka, which eventually led you to your goal, which is to have more, free time, more flexibility when it comes to prioritizing your family over your work. So, dun ka, winner. All right. So, thank you so much, Dean, for having this interview with me.